Hello everyone, my name is Lid and I'm going to take you through the demo of the mobile app of ours. So let's start. First, you're going to be taken to a login page. If you do not have credentials, you're going to register an account. Just hit register and it will ask for your email address, password, and your user type as well as your study ID. Let's start with the email address. I'm just going to make up one. And the password. You can view the password, and for user type you can select user and admin. They're not very different except for that admin has access to an observation tool, which is an additional feature to all the features users can access. But for convenience, I'm going to select admin and show you how it works. For study ID, in this case, we're going to select 1 and we hit register. Once you are successfully registered, you're going to be taken to some questionnaires to get some baseline information of yours. For example, what is your age and what's your gender? You hit submit. Health history. Do you have any chronic health conditions? You can hit yes. If yes, you're gonna have to specify what kind of health conditions you have. For here, we'll just select no. And your daily habits, how many hours do you sleep on average, and how often do you exercise every week, and you hit submit. Once that's successfully recorded, you're going to be taken to the home page. We have daily surveys, vigilance test, momentary assessment, and observation tool for the study coordinators or the admins. Let's start with daily surveys. You're free to select these daily surveys. Gonna select MedFlight daily survey, and this is what the daily survey looks like. I'm not going to fill in all the fields of it for the time's sake, but you can see how the daily survey looks like and what kind of input we expect to see from daily surveys. Once you've completed everything, you can hit next page, and it says that you have completed the survey. You hit back, and let's go to vigilance test. So you're going to be conducting a 5-minute psychomotor vigilance task, and here's some brief instructions on how to do this experiment. First, you're going to hold your phone horizontally, and you're going to wait for a dot to appear on the screen, and just hit the screen immediately with your dominant thumb anywhere on the screen. As easy as that. And you can start a little trial run to get a taste of it. Of course, the phone is going to be held horizontally. We're going to wait for a red dot to appear on the screen. Once the red dot appears, you tap on the screen. And that's it. And after the trial run, you can start the actual PVT experiment. Let's start a 5-minute PVT. Something different is that there is a cancel button. You can cancel the test at any time, but once you hit cancel, no results is going to be saved, so you're gonna have to do it again later. And that's for the vigilance test. Next, momentary assessment. We're going to ask for you to answer or to fill in your level of fatigue at this specific moment. Second question is about your sleepiness level, maximum level of stress experienced at this moment or in the past 6 hours, and how many cups of coffee or cans of energy drinks you consumed in the past 6 hours, and your stimulant intake during a 6-hour period. I'll say about the same. And number of naps taken in past 6 hours. And total duration of naps in minute. Once you've successfully submitted the momentary assessment, you're going to be taken back to the home page. And for admins specifically, there is an observation tool. You can start a new observation. For the observation name, I'm just going to say demo. And there is also no description, so I'm just going to description of demo. Okay, so once it's done, you hit proceed, and you can add a matrix. For example, the participant is sleepy or is yawning, and another matrix, for example, mistake. Participant makes a mistake, and we're going to add a participant. Let's say we're going to add a participant called Jack and another participant called, I don't know, Larry, something like that. Okay, once it's done, hit proceed, and whenever Jack yawns, you're going to hit add a number to it, marking that Jack yawned, and whenever Larry makes a mistake, maybe you're going to hit 1, and at the same time Jack yawns again, you're going to hit another 1. Of course, you can add audio notes, and I'm going to proceed. So here's the summary, participant, and when did it start, and we also have timestamps. For example, Jack yawned at this specific time, and Larry made a mistake at this specific time, and Jack yawned again at this specific time. You can hit finish observation, and yes, of course, you can also resume an unfinished observation. For example, before we resume the observation, we can select templates to create an observation template. For example, we're going to have a template name. Let's say demo template. And the description, we're going to skip the description. We're going to add a matrix. For example, yawn and mistake. Default participant is optional. I'm going to say Jack and Larry again. Okay, so we're going to save the template. So you can see we have a demo template set up. Once the template is set up, you don't have to create any new observations. You can just resume on the existing template and fill in the same procedure as an observation, and you can resume a unfinished observation just in case you quit or you logged off in the middle of observation. You can hit resume, and you can resume the observation. And finally, library. Just you can see the previous completed observations. For example, the details and the timestamps. And that's it for the mobile app. Thanks for coming.